Global Banking and Finance Review is a leading brand name in the world of finance and banking. Their awards were created to recognize companies of all sizes that are prominent in particular areas of expertise and excellence within the global financial community. Today, we're pleased to offer Global Banking Awards to Sucor Asset Management Indonesia. Sucor Asset Management is a subsidiary of PT Sucor Investama and has more than 30 years of experience. The company manages assets of more than 21.3 trillion rupees as of November 2024 and serves more than 584,000 retail investors. Sucor Asset Management works towards becoming the most valuable and trusted asset management company across generations. Sucor focuses in helping clients to best navigate, secure and accumulate wealth over time through prudent investment. Sucor Asset Management, Global Banking and Finance offers 2 awards for Asset Management Company of the Year Indonesia 2024 and Asset Management Company of the Year Southeast Asia 2024. We were pleased to welcome company members to London to receive the awards before taking the opportunity to discuss with them Sucor Asset Management's outstanding success in 2024. Fajrin Hermansyah is a company director and Rolando, head of business development. We discuss the history of the company's success.
Sucor Invest has founded in 1997 in Surabaya. That's the second largest city in Indonesia. And over the years, we have passed some crisis financial and, for example, like in the pandemic, COVID 2020, and then the Asian crisis in 2008. And then now we're still bigger and also always expand every year. And then, Sucor Invest is asset management that have exposure in retail investor. So we have around more than 1 million investor, one of the biggest in Indonesia. And then also now, currently we are managing about 1.24 billion US dollar asset from the investor with more than 20 products. And still we hope this year will be our successful year, and next year, still a big hope for Sucor Asset Management.
Well, as you say, it has been a very, very successful year as we head towards 2025. A very impressive growth, of course, and we've just talked about it before.
Yeah.
How do you actually go about, do you think, sustaining that success and keeping the momentum going into the next year? And what new strategies have you implemented to further engage your clientele?
So 2024, it's not easy in Indonesian capital market. One of the reason is about the U.S. interest rate, which is in the beginning of the year is very high. But fortunately, in the second semester, the U.S. interest rate lower their interest, and then it makes our capital market in Indonesia more attractive. So in the product side, we still maintain some our flagship product and create best performance for the client. And for the sales side, so we still believe that partnership with numerous selling agent is the best approach for the retail investor. So with the existing more than 20 existing selling agent, we enhance our collaboration by doing digital campaigns, and then we're doing some joint event in the area in big area in Indonesia. And now we have a plan to expand our selling agent with especially for the banks, securities firms, and also the fintech. So we believe by this strategy we can still have a good momentum and good approach for the retail investor.
In fact, along those lines, we were talking before we came on air about the number of young people living in Indonesia, and apparently 70% of your investors are actually under 30, which goes to prove the point, really.
Yeah.
So therefore, very digitally engaged. They
Yes,
love
correct.
technology, and it's a key driver for Sucor Invest. How are you evolving your digital strategy, would you say, to meet the changing needs and expectations of your younger customers?
Yeah. For a company like us, digital marketing is very important. Like you said, because most of our client is below 30, a young generation. So we use our social media and our digital presence to tap the client. Example like our official website, and then we have also the Instagram account, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. And for the information, now we are the most prominent asset management in terms of the followers for the social media. And then we see that now again, because we are tap the young investor, we try to always improve our content. So we need to have a content that follow the trend for the younger investors, so they can understand, they can learn about investing. Easy, it's not complicated. Yeah, so like that. So in the next the future, we'll try to expand our digital social strategy again to tap the retail client, and then also try to make some collaboration with our partner social media, so we can do collaboration also to reach more client.
So social media obviously a very important factor.
Yes, and once again, one more. Sorry. We have also a strategy in the next year, 2025. I think this is also the major strategy for the tapping the client in terms of the social media and digital strategy. Maybe Rolando will share to you shortly.
So let's turn to Rolando. You're head of business development. Are there any new initiatives, projects or products that Sucor Invest is actually working on that you can tell us about?
Okay, actually this year we completed an analysis of Indonesia alternative investment markets, focusing on ETF, and we identify significant long-term potential. Next year we plan to launch our first base stock ETF to providing our new client with new investment option. Additionally, we intend to boost client loyalty within our B2B2C model by addressing engagement challenges through website community-based loyalty program. This initiative aims to get client awareness of Sucor Invest products and to reinforce our dedication to exceptional our service and solution.
So it's important to keep people aware of the developments that you're doing, as you've explained there. What would you say were the key growth areas for next year, 2025 and beyond, as far as you're concerned for the company? And any sectors of the market that you are particularly excited about development-wise at the moment?
Yeah, as we know, Indonesia, one of the biggest population in the world, but only 5% register as capital market investor. We see this as a broad growth market potential. Therefore, we commit to expand our our distribution channel through retail markets. As I mentioned before, next year we plan to introduce our alternative products and to improve operational efficiency by utilizing advanced technology and artificial intelligence to align with our growth strategy. This initiative positions Sucor Invest to seize in opportunities both in institutional and retail markets.
So exciting times ahead, and you're obviously both very confident about the future.
Sure. Yeah.
Well, that's fantastic. Rolando, thank you so much for talking to us.
Yeah.
And Fajrin Hermansyah, also thank you for visiting us here in London and telling us more about Sucor Invest.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.